Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. 4 screwdrivers. You guys are awesome. But you can. Don't feel bad, because I love a Bloody Mary, so if you want a Bloody Mary.
No, I don't.
Okay. Yeah. Straight to the source, straight to the dome. Yeah.
That man's gonna be right. Yeah, so probably not.
What?
This is the TikTok lady.
You need a screwdriver?
I'm good for now.
You're good? Okay.
We're having
So you need a double screwdriver.
On the next time
Not a
around.
single, but you wanted a double.
Next time around, Pete.
Next time around. Okay. How are you?
How are you doing?
Good.
You.
You're good? Okay. And were these singles or doubles?
singles for now.
Singles for now? Okay.
Cigars today. Oh, okay, wow. Relaxing today. Yeah, me too. Jordan?
I love it. I was gonna say, do you guys live local?
Kind of. Tucson. We're in.
Oh, in Tucson.
Yeah. We're in Buckeye, so it's actually like 40. It was like 45 minutes.
Okay.
Less than an hour. Less than an hour.
Right? Oh, this is like great lighting right here too, you guys. All right, cheers.
Cheers.